Don't ever think that I'm banking, baby. As long as I'm here giving you guys what I need to give you guys, I don't have to tell y'all nothing about my financial status. Unless y'all the IRS, unless your name starts with Uncle and ends with Sam, you straight. Believe that. What's up, Hustler family? It's your girl Sage the Hustler here. You already know me, S-A-G-E. Yes, I did steal it from Sage the Gemini, so you already know what time it is with me. Before I start, smash the subscribe button. Do it right now, because I'm not going to do anything else. Smash the like button. Comment down below whenever you would like, whether it's in the beginning, middle, end, however you want to do it. And share this video to whoever you want to share it to. We are still on the road to 1K subs. But let's get into the video. So if you click this video, you would like to know, what do I do? Like, how many jobs do I have? I'm sure some people don't care, some people do, who knows? But I call myself Sage the Hustler for a reason, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had some jobs in the past that I told you guys about so far. There's some I haven't told you guys about, but it's okay, because when the time is right, I'll let you know. But currently, your girl is still hustling the way that she can hustle, okay? I got 10,001 things going on, so it's like, okay, cool. I'll tell you guys, technically, if you want to count how many jobs I have 6 jobs. And it sounds crazy. It sounds like I'm lying. It may sound like I'm making stuff up. It may sound that I am stretching myself out too thin or overwhelming myself, but hear me out. All right, let's see. I'm gonna start off with jobs that I am currently getting paid to do. Now, these jobs that I'm getting paid to do, it's not like I'm banking. Don't ever think that I'm banking, baby. Start thinking when I'm banking when you see the ice on my wrists. I'm kidding. Even if I'm banking, I would never tell y'all, because it's like, I'm not the type of person to sit there and flash my money and do all that, because I don't care. Like, I don't care for that. What y'all gonna do? Well, if I show y'all all the money I have that I don't have, what y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna rob me out of it? For what? I don't need to show you guys anything, okay? As long as I'm here giving you guys what I need to give you guys, I don't have to tell y'all nothing about my financial status. Unless y'all the IRS, unless your name starts with Uncle and ends with Sam, you straight. Believe that. Let's start off with the job that I am getting paid for currently. So, one of the jobs that I'm getting paid for is modeling. I do work with a modeling agency. I do get gigs from them in a sense, depending on what type of gig it is and if I'm able to make it and if it's something that fits me. They do take a percentage out of it because it's an agency. If they refer me to anything or if they provide any type of job in a sense, any type of gig, they take a percentage out if I do get booked, which is pretty much any modeling agency. Through them, by the grace of God, they introduced me to this company that I'm doing a fashion show for in February for, which is called Riff Productions, which is Real in the Field Production. And I'm being trained right now as a trainer, so I work at that as of now. You know, I work with them.
Side note, y'all, I did resign from Riff, so I no longer work there anymore.
And I still have my modeling agency. On top of that, I have other people hitting me up on the side for certain things as far as collabs and campaigns and things like that. So we'll see how that goes. I also am a face model for Anya as well. You know, by the grace of God, she does bless me with whatever she can, you know, and it is a great amount. I appreciate every single dollar, whether it's $1 or $5, and that's not how much I get paid, but y'all get the point, okay? I'm grateful for any source of income that comes my way. And that's for the modeling. As far as whoever hits me up, wants me to do a photo shoot for them, model their clothes, da 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 da. Like, now I charge. Before I didn't, but now that I have experience, I charge. If I haven't charged you in 2020, I was being nice. But 2021, baby, y'all getting charged. Because I don't do nothing for free no more. I got the experience, I got the platform, and you have to know your worth too as a content creator, as a model, as anything that you want to be in, because there comes a time where you don't have no experience and you just, you know, do certain things just to gain your experience. But then you get to a point where you're like, yo, I can get paid for this. Like, people need to pay me for this because I'm doing such a great job and other people are just referring me and da-da-da-da. I'm just saying that in general, not just me talking, boasting about myself, just about in general how you should talk about yourself when you're partaking something as a person doing it independently. Know your worth, know when to charge people, know when to take certain jobs for free just to get your name out there. Because I had to do that. I had to take certain gigs and just, you know, be like, if it's for free, that's fine. You know, it is what it is. At least I'm gaining the experience. So that's what that for the modeling. So my agency, face model, and anything else that comes after that, pretty much. The second source of income that I do have is being a brand ambassador. Now, mind you, these sources of income are not necessarily consistent. They are, when I get it when I can. For modeling, you have to understand all the other things that I listed, it's whenever I can. So keep that in mind, okay? Don't be thinking I'm out here banking. Keep that in mind. The next thing, next opportunity I have is as a brand ambassador. So by the grace of God, you know, I have a gig coming up literally this Saturday called Creole Karaoke as a brand ambassador. That event is going on to promote the event, to be there at the event, to make sure to sell the tickets, to do all those things. I do also have a brand ambassador. I don't say it's a brand ambassador event. It could be more so modeling because it's a photo shoot next month. Stay tuned for that. It's real cool. It's a photo shoot, so stay tuned for that. But as far as the brand ambassador gigs that I get, it's whenever I can. They're gigs. It's not necessarily consistent income. It's just the income. When you get the job, you get paid and that's it. So again, don't think that I'm banking. Another job that I have, which is the third one, is being a co-CEO of a whole hair company. Go ahead and purchase your bundles, y'all, if you haven't already. And other things that we have going on the website. We have a lot of new product coming soon. Glue lash pens, headbands, hair clips, mink lashes, all that jazz. So go ahead and check out our website and purchase. It will be in the link down below. So yes, me and my business partner, we're making money from the business by the grace of God. But at the end of the day, we're trying to build our account to a certain amount before we take money out for ourselves. So we're just going to continue to work hard and put money into our business together before we take out money for ourselves. And that's just me and her decision. Like, we could take the money out now, but we don't want to do that because there's just so much more that we have to do, that we want to do with ourselves, with the business, that we don't want to touch the money that's in there, and we just want to build on it. So that's something that's another thing on the side. Mind you, still not banking. The fourth thing that I have going on, I should say, is being a content creator. So that, which of course I'm not getting paid for as of yet, but it's still a job. I still have to create a schedule. I still have to make sure to put work in as far as recording, editing, posting, doing all that. It's still a job, okay? Even though I'm not getting paid for it yet, it's still a job. Being a content creator is still a job. So I listed 4 things. Another thing that I do is Instacart. Okay, you heard it correct, child. Instacart. Instacart is when they have the people, you pretty much go grocery shopping for other people and you deliver it to their door. Now, Instacart is not a bad job for a side hustle, you know what I'm saying? You get the money, you're able to pull it out after a certain amount. I forgot how much money, but you're able to pull it out instantly for like a 1 cent fee or something like that. Or you could have it standard, or you could have it transferred to your account without instant, but it's just gonna take, I think, like 1 to 3 business days. And you also get tip. Like, you get tip and you get whatever you get paid for. So that's a cool source of income. Again, I'm not banking, okay? That's the 5th one. Last but not least, my best friend is an awesome chef, okay? And she has something called V's Cuisine. We do it to fundraise for our business, and we are definitely putting work in. We put work into that too. Oh, okay, we put work. I will show you pictures of her food on screen, and she definitely put in the work. I definitely put in the work in helping her, and we just keep trying to use that as a source of income to help build our business as a fundraising mechanism to help feed people in a sense, because she can cook amazingly. If you haven't purchased a plate yet, you're asleep. You need to wake up and eat the food and smell how food good is, because you're missing out. You're missing out. But that's for the 6 jobs that I have as of now. some of which I'm getting paid for, some of which I'm not, some of which it's consistent, some of which it's not consistent. I just pray to God that I can pay my bills. That's what I'm wishing for right now. I can pay my bills and I can save some money. I know that things will get better. I trust in God, so I know that some days I might feel like I'm broke and I don't have no money and I can't do this, I can't do that. I know that God is working for me in the greater scheme of things, so I'm not tripping. I know He'll provide. Anyways, He'll provide me with everything that I need. He might not provide me with what I want right now, but He provides me with everything I need, and He even provides me of things that I want. So I'm just really grateful for Him. And I also have to put in my mind and humble myself all the time that everything that God has given to me, it can easily be taken away with a snap of a finger. So I constantly pray to be humbled all the time, to help constantly remind me that God, you know, everything that you give me is everything that can be taken away. So I'm not going to complain, and I'm just going to trust in you. I'm not going to grumble in anything. I'm just going to trust in you. And that's what I have to keep putting my mentality in. But that's all for today's Talking Business Tings. I hope you guys learned a couple things about me and just some insights on how to keep pushing and how to keep going and how to just juggle your different lifestyle in a sense. Like, I don't know how to, I'm not gonna say I don't know how to juggle it. I'm still learning and still trying to manage time and making appointments and not double booking. I'm still working on that myself. So comment down below with some advice that you'd like to give me, or any questions that you guys may have, or any insight, or just, I don't know, your comments, your commentary, whatever you like to talk about. Go ahead and comment that down below. Thank you for watching. Stay clean, stay blessed, and have an amazing night.
Y'all comment? Yes, share,
Hey.
subscribe.
Hey.
If
Hey.
you don't, you wanna die. Gonna tell you this one time. This SageTheHustla on that line.